Do you want to fight wrinkles, sun damages on your skin, or even dark underarm? Worry no more, we're here to talk about how to brighten up those areas with amazing citrus called lemon. Loaded with vitamin C, you can actually have lemon on its own, or you can add this in a glass of water or in your salad. But today we are talking about honey and lemon. When we combine this together, it's going to give us amazing, beautiful, glowy skin. Honey helps to enhance the glowness of your skin, while lemon is anti-aging properties. Yes, so combine about 1 teaspoon of lemon in a plate or at the palm of your hand. Mix that also with organic honey. Make sure your honey is very organic. About 1 teaspoon of honey. Mix those together with the tips of your fingers. I love using the tips of my fingers to give me the maximum benefits when I mix them together. Make sure your skin is washed and then apply a little bit of this combination on your skin. Make sure you are avoiding your eye area because lemon contains some astringent. So apply this also under your arm if you have dark underarm. Remember to stay away from deodorants that are made with aluminum. You can Google those ones on Google and find out the best deodorants that does not have aluminum. And also avoid shaving your underarm. I did a lot of shaving in the past, so I'm working so hard to get rid of my dark underarm. After applying this, you gotta wait for 10 minutes. So after 10 minutes, rinse up your skin or wash it off or take a shower, but make sure you are using cold water, at least lukewarm water. Please do not use hot water on your skin when you have applied lemon on your skin. After everything, please use your daily moisturizer or use your night cream. As a matter of fact, this treatment is only recommended to be used at night just to avoid the photosynthesis from the lemon and the sun mixed together. Do this 2 or 3 times a week and see how your skin will glow. Did you see under my arm? It changed right away. Thank you for watching. Remember to subscribe and follow the page. Thank you.